Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Arun, and I'm back again with another video here. So, there is a Google Sheet where we have a lot of data here. So, this sheet has a priority column D, which has three values, which is low, medium, and high. So, if I select low, it will move into the low sheet automatically. So there is the row which I moved automatically. Let me show it again. There is a priority column in D. I'm selecting another value which is medium now. Just select this medium value. This row will move automatically to the medium sheet. Here we go. Here is the row. Again, I'm clicking now for new status. High. And now this row is moved in the high sheet automatically. So here this sheet is being coded with some code. So to get this work done, or you to get this file or sheets in Google Sheets, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp number and my email address. So I will be providing both of my contact details in the description part of this video. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Take care. Bye.